In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the World Time mode to view a different time zone on your Casio Pro Trek PRG-270 watch. This is module 3415 from Casio. This is really one of the more simpler things you can do on this watch. You've basically got multiple modes. Now, you've got some mode buttons over here for your sensor modes, your compass, your barometer, your altimeter. Everything else is going to fall under this mode button. It's the bottom left button on the watch. You'll see as I press this button, we will go and advance through the different modes on the watch. The very last mode that you will get to is going to be your world time or your dual time mode. I'm going to show you that. So I'm in my main timekeeping mode. We're going to press the mode button once. It takes us to our sunrise and sunset. Press it again. It takes us to our altitude recordings. Again, to our stopwatch, our countdown timer, our alarms. And then you'll see one that says WT, and then you should see a value up here that is cycling through. That is showing you the world time that you are viewing the time for. Now you'll notice in the middle, that is going to be my world time. Again, the value up at the top. The bottom will show you your current time for your current home city that you have set on the watch. So it's 10:36 p.m. in Rio, it's 7:36 p.m. in my home city. The other thing you've got here, this little H, is going to be your power indicator for your battery level on the watch. The nice thing is if you want to switch and look at a different time zone, you can use either the compass button or the altimeter button. If you press the compass button, it will move through the different cities moving to the west. Press the altimeter button, it will move to the east. What's nice with this watch is they don't just give you the code. If you let it sit there, it will tell you what city code you're looking at. That's pretty rare. I've had some Casio watches before where you kind of have to look at a city chart and see what exactly do these different abbreviations stand for, whereas on this watch, it will tell you all of them. The other thing I should mention is it will remember the last city that you're on. So when we first went to the world time mode, it was on Rio. Let me go ahead and switch to London, for example. I'm going to get off of world time mode, go back to my time mode. Next time we go to world time mode, it will not be on Rio, it will be on London because that's the last time that we viewed. The only other setting you really have to worry about here is daylight savings time. So if you wanted to switch for daylight savings on your world time mode, when you're on the world time, you will press and hold the adjust button. Hold it for a couple seconds. You'll notice it said hold for DST to be on, and now you can see a little abbreviation up here in the top left corner that says I'm viewing daylight savings time for my given world city location. I'm not viewing DST for my current home city, so you'll notice when I went back to my time mode, my current home city is not showing DST. You would have to turn that on for your current city if you want DST on both of them. But in my case, I just turned it on for my world time. Let's go back to that. Again, you've got DST. When you want to turn off daylight savings for your world time, all you're going to do is, again, press and hold the adjust button. Now it says hold to turn it off, and you'll notice that now that icon is gone, and I've successfully turned off the daylight savings on my world time zone. Really simple. There's not a whole lot else to show you on that. As always, with any mode, once you're done, you can press the mode button. Normally, I tell you if you press and hold the mode button, it will take you to your time mode, but if you're in world time, all you have to do is press it once. It's going to take you to the time mode anyway, because the world time is the last mode under your mode button. Anyway, that's it. That's how you use the world time mode on your PRG-270 watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.